Good morning, dear students. First of all, let me welcome you all on board for today's first lesson on English language for the current week. I hope all of you are enjoying sound health and observing complete stay at home by taking very good care of yourselves, your family and your surroundings. Our today's lesson is on pronoun and its types. You already know much about it as you had studied it in 7th standard before. So, I hope you all will be quite at ease with this topic, and will respond to the quiz, worksheets and homework given to you to do at home.
Alright. Let's begin with our today's lesson, that is pronoun and its types. Learning objectives. At the end of this lesson, students will be able to 1. State the definition of a pronoun. 2. Recognize pronouns and distinguish them from other parts of speech. 3. Distinguish between singular, plural, subjects, and object pronouns. 4. Use the correct pronoun to replace the noun in a sentence. 5. Identify different types of pronouns used in a sentence. Word pronoun is made up of two words, that is pro and noun. Pro means in place of or instead of or for, whereas noun is a naming word. Hence, pronoun is a word which is used in place of a noun. You use pronouns all the time. In fact, the word you is a pronoun. When you talk about a group you are part of or yourself, you use the pronoun we or I. When you talk about your friends, members of your family or other people, you use the pronouns he, she and they. When you talk about things, you use the pronoun it. Pronouns are used in place of nouns in a sentence so that you don't have to keep repeating the noun. Examples in sentences are: 1. He is my class fellow. 2. Everyone was laughing at him. 3. She hurt herself. The words he, everyone, him, she, and herself in these sentences are pronouns. Types of pronoun. There are 9 types of pronouns, which are: 1. Personal pronouns. 2. Indefinite pronouns. 3. Reflexive pronouns. 4. Emphatic pronouns. 5. Demonstrative pronouns. 6. Relative pronouns. 7. Distributive pronouns. 8. Interrogative pronouns. 9. Reciprocal pronouns. Relative pronouns. Pronouns that relate to some noun or pronoun that comes right before and join two sentences together are called relative pronouns. Who, which, that, whose, whom. He is the man who had come to see you. Here who is relative pronoun as it relates to the noun man which has come right before it. The book which you gave me was really boring. Here which is relative pronoun as it relates to the noun book which has come right before it. I know the place that you are talking about. Here that is relative pronoun as it relates to the noun place which has come right before it. Distributive pronouns. Pronouns used to refer to persons or things one at a time are called distributive pronouns. For example, either, neither, each. Either girl can do it. Neither answer is correct. Each new day is different. Each of us has some money. Neither of the boys has come. Either of you can go there. Interrogative pronouns. Pronouns used to ask questions are called interrogative pronouns. 1. Who is knocking at the door? 2. Which is your house? 3. What is the name of your sister? 4. Who has broken the window? 5. Whom did you see? The words who, which, what, who and whom are interrogative pronouns as they are used in place of nouns and have also been used to ask questions. Most of the students do ask how are these pronouns? So remember, my dear students, when you ask yourself this question like who is knocking at the door, you expect the answer to be the name of some person. So this who is used in place of that person, and has also been used to ask a question. Reciprocal pronouns. Pronouns that denote mutual action are called reciprocal pronouns. For example, each other, one another. Each other, for two, one another, for more than two. For instance, everybody knows that the two brothers hate each other. Our elders always teach us to love one another. Well, dear students, hope you have understood this topic of pronoun and its types quite fully. If you have any questions related to this topic, please feel free to ask me. I am sure now you will be able to do this homework given at the end of this presentation. Thank you all for your passive listening. Goodbye for now. Take very good care of you and have a nice day ahead.